Good morning, dear students. How are you today? I hope you're fine. Today we're going to have lesson 3 on Unit 1, Chapter 1, Variables and Expressions. Okay, the objectives of this lesson is to evaluate expressions containing variables. Translate verbal phrases into algebraic expression. Okay, so how are variables used to show relationships? We have some new vocab, variable, algebraic expression defining a variable. So I have here how variable used to show relationships. A babysitter earns $5 per hour. The table shows several possibilities for number of hours in earnings. So suppose the babysitter work 10 hours. How much would he or she earn? I think she. What is the relationship between the number of hours and the money? Yes, the money earned. And if H, the hours, represents any number of hours, what expression could you write to represent the amount of money earned? Okay, focus. It's very easy but tricky. So I have here root word. Variable is what? Okay, variable. Okay, I need the marker now. Okay, variable here it's root word. Vary, the word variable means likely to change or vary. So variable, it's a word here, means that it will change, it's likely to change or vary. Okay, so evaluate expressions. Algebraic is a language of symbols. One symbol that's frequently used is a variable. A variable is a placeholder for any value. A variable is a placeholder for any value. Okay, like the zero in the decimal when we are adding the decimal. Do you remember when we add the decimal and we put the zero as a placeholder? Okay, as shown h represents h what? Some unknown number of hours. I don't know the number of hours the babysitter, for example, will sit with the baby. So the number of hours here is a variable. It changes. Okay, it changes. Any letter can be used as a variable. Not the special notation for multiplication, okay, and division with the variables. So the letter x here is most often used as a variable. Here x in math we use x and y, as you know. So the letter x is most often used as a variable. Here for x it's most used as a variable. Okay, as x plus 2, for example. For h here, for h means 4 times h. I don't put here a point between them. So for h, it means 4 times h. I have told you this before in the class, inside the class. You remember when you were on grade 7. So for h means 4 times h. Here mn means m times n. So I can write here mn like this beside each other, and I can write 4h minus 5 here. This is a full expression. Okay, y over 3 means y divided 3. Don't forget y here. The fraction means what? Yes, I can hear you. The fraction means division. It's very important. Okay, and we are grown up now, so it's easy. An expression like x plus 2 is an algebraic expression, because it contains what? Sum, okay, and or products of variables and numbers. So when you have variables, this is variables, and numbers like 2, 3, 4, and so on, this is called algebraic expressions. Okay, true or false 2x is an example of an algebraic expression. Explain your reasoning. Okay, so it's a variable expression because it contains here what? It contains here products and variables, products and variables, and products of variables and numbers, products of variables and numbers as 2 times x. Okay, example 1, evaluate expressions here. Evaluate x plus y minus 9. Okay, focus. This is important. Okay, you want to see it first? Okay, this one, enlarge this. Can you see this well now? Okay, so I have here example 1, evaluate x plus y minus 9. If x is 15 and y is 26, substitution. Remember, substitution here. I will substitute for x 15 and for y 26. Okay, so replace x. Substitute means what? Substitute, replace. Substitute means, okay, sorry, substitute means replace. Okay, so replace with x with 15 and y with 16. Let's replace it now, the first thing. Then, okay, want the marker. Okay, you have taken the marker now. Okay, x plus y minus 9 equals to what? I write, instead of x, I wrote here 15. Instead of y, 26. Can you see here the colors? Okay, minus 9. So 15 plus 26. I follow the order plus and minus. Okay, focus with me in order of operation, plus or minus or division or multiplication. I follow from left to right, from my left hand to my right hand. Okay. A scary hand, I know. A scary hand. This is a scary hand. Okay. We don't deserve that. Okay. So I follow from my right to the left. Sorry, from the left to the right. I follow here the operation from the left hand to the right hand. Okay. Bad drawing, I know. So here I have, I'll choose now first the plus. 15 plus 26 gives me 41. Then minus 9. So it gives me 32. So if you have a multiplication, division, a plus or minus, follow from left to right. From left, 1, 2, 3, okay. From left to right hand, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, let's continue. Remember, replacing a variable with a number demonstrates the substitution property of equality. Okay, remember this word very much. Write it down. Substitution property of equality. This is important. Substitution property of equality words: if two quantities are equal, then one quantity can be replaced by the other one. For all numbers A equals B, then A may be replaced by B. When I say here A equals to B, so I can replace A by B. Okay, as we said here, x equal 3 and I have x plus for example 5, so I can say, instead of x, I can say 3 plus 5, right? Easy. Evaluate expressions. Example 2 here. Evaluate each expression if k equals to 2 and m equals to 7, n equals to 4. Easy. It's very easy. Let's solve it together. Okay, so 6m minus 3k. Substitute m and k. Okay, I have m with 7 and k with 2. Replace, substitute m with 7 and k with 2. Then what should I do? I multiply. Why multiply? PEMDAS, for God's sake. PEMDAS. So here I don't have, okay. I have here what? I have here the p parentheses. The parentheses you have got here, this one 6 times 7 in brackets and 3 times 2, so 6 times 7 42 minus 6. So then do the subtraction easily. Okay, and then this one mn over 2, it means that rewrite as a division expression. Okay, this is the steps, Jeanette. Rewrite as a division expression here, Jeanette. Okay, so mn over 2, it means mn divided 2. Substitute, replace. Okay, 7 times 4. Okay, I can use the dot here, the notation here. Yes, I can do it. Divided by 2. I have here brackets. Don't forget, if you have brackets, do it first. So here 4 times 7 gives you 28. Then divide 28 divided 2 gives you 14. Okay, my dear students, this is also what I have here. Another exercise: n plus k plus 5m. The first thing I should do, replace n. Okay, replace n with 4, k with 2, and m with 7. So as you see here, 4 plus 2 plus 5 times 7. Okay, the first thing I use is to replace the substitution. Then here answer for what? Answer for the brackets. So 2 plus 35 gives you 37. Then do the what? Okay, then do the sum. Okay, the addition. Then it gives you 41. Okay. And what else we did? Okay, 5 times 7 in the you solve for this one also because it's inside the brackets, don't forget. Okay, I want to mention everything here in details. So translate verbal phrases. The first step in translating verbal phrases into algebraic expressions is to choose a variable and a quantity, the variable to represent. This is called defining a variable. So defining a variable, translate verbal phrases into expressions. Okay, translate each phrase into an algebraic expression. 12 points more than the Dolphins scored. Okay, what's this? 12 points means, okay, want the marker now. 12 points means 12. Expression here, 12. More than, it means in math, plus the Dolphins score. Okay, let the Dolphins scored here P. Okay, this is P plus 12. So the expression will be P plus 12. 4 times a number decreased by 6. Okay, 4 times a number, words here, 4 times a number decreased by 6. Variable, okay. We have here let n represent the number. Okay, here in math we say n instead of the number. So 4 times a number, it means 4n. Decreased by, of course, yes, subtraction, minus 6, we write 6. So I have here the expression is 4n minus 6. Okay, use an expression to solve a problem here. Soccer, the Johnstone Soccer League ranks each team in their league using points. The team gets 3 points for win and 1 point for a tie. Write an expression that can be used to find the total number of points a team receives. So, words here, 3 points for a win and 1 point for a tie. Yes, this is the words here. 3 points for a win, it's mentioned before, and 1 point for a tie. Let W numbers of wins. So W number of wins, of course, and T number of ties. Okay, T for ties and W for. So 3 points for a win, 3 win. Okay, it's obvious now. And means plus 1 point for a tie, 1 T. We can say instead of 1 T just T, but it's okay to write 1 T. Okay, to make it more easier for you. The expression will be 3W plus 1T can be used to find the total number of points the team will receive. Last example here, suppose in one season the North Rockets had 17 wins and 4 ties. So it will be, as you see, 17 wins, 17W plus 4 ties plus 4T, right? Okay. Then I have here 3W plus 1 tie equals what? Equals 2. Okay, this one is very good. So I have here 3W plus 1T equals to what? 3 times 17 plus 1 times 4. So what did I do here? Okay, I here replace W. Okay, replace here the W for 17. Replace the W for 17 and here the 4 for T. It's easy now to solve for this expression. Yes, it's easy. So the answer will be 55. By this, we have covered the lesson. Study well from the student book and from the YouTube, and I want you to answer the practice book lesson 3. Okay, thanks dear students for listening. Bye bye.